near Banbridge town in the county down one morning last July. Down a Bowling Green came a sweet Colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. She looked so neat from her to her feet, to the sheen of her nut brown hair. Such a coaxing elf, I had to shake myself to make sure I was really there. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Cave, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. As she onward sped, sure I scratched me head, the gaze was a feeling rare. I says I to a passerby, who's the maid with the nut brown hair. He smiled at me and then said, hey, she's the gem of Ireland's crown. Young Rosie McCann from the banks of the Bann, she's the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Cave, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. Well, I've roamed a bit, but I've never been hit since my travelling days began. Fair and square I surrender there to the charms of young Rosie McCann. It's been hard to let, there's no telling yet that I met with the shawl or a gown. But in she went and I asked no rent from the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Cave, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. At the Crossroads Fair I was surely there, I'll be dressed in me Sunday clothes, with me shoes shone bright and me head off right, a smile to my nut brown nose. No pipe I smoked and no horse I yoked, let me blow it was turned round. Till a smile and bride by me own fireside, since the jar of the county down. From Bantry Bay to Derry Cave,